Bro, you know I don't know nothing about football, man. I'm not a football guy.
I know.
You're gonna have to take lead on this, bro.
Let's do it.
Obviously with the football, when the season started, right? So all the football kits have come out. So Nike have sent us a whole bunch of stuff for us to do like a review. It's not just kits, it's like all the kind of apparel that goes with the different teams.
No, I love all of that anyway.
That's why I got you down for this video. But on the Instagram, I must have put out like a bunch of football kits from Nike, and I asked the followers to rate the kit.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's 6 kits I showed them. I'm gonna tell you which ones they thought were the best. So I'll start with the ones that they rated the least, right down to the best. First, I'm gonna show you the kit. All right, cool. Let's do this. So the first kit I'm gonna show you is the one that you're wearing. Well, Atletico Madrid.
Newest season one.
Yeah, what do you think of that one?
21. I like it. I can't lie.
Yeah?
A lot of Atletico Madrid's kit, tracksuits and stuff, I'm feeling.
Oh, is it? All right, so next one, Barcelona kit.
It's okay. It's kind of tough to match.
So next one, Inter's kit, Inter Milan.
I like it. Simple, black and blue. Yeah, I think it's alright.
All right. What about next kit?
You get PSG stuff now, yeah. Even if it don't have a Jordan sign, you feel like you're wearing Jordan.
Why do you think that is?
I think the marketing of Paris Saint-Germain, it just makes sense, man.
Right.
Make it fashionable.
The Jordan thing, it helps, yeah?
It boosted it. I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
Okay, I've even got some PSG stuff. Even just for like the style of their clothing, PSG football-wise, I think it's one of my favourites. All right, next one. Come on, man. That's your local, mate.
That should be an alternative kit. Still better than Barcelona, though.
All right, what about this one? Liverpool's kit.
I can't lie, I have seen some wicked jackets. Like they've got like the big swoosh on the back.
Yeah, so you're saying like their range, the apparel that comes with it is good. So I'm gonna let you know what the followers said, yeah? Okay. Followers' least favourite one is Barcelona, was their least favourite. Then after that, it was Tottenham. After that, Liverpool.
Same order.
Then after that, hold on, Atletico Madrid.
What? Do you know what? They need to see Atletico stuff in person.
Oh, is it?
PSG definitely won because it's PSG.
Nah, PSG came second, you know. What? You know who came first? The Inter kit. When I checked out a lot of like blog sites, they were saying that the Inter kit is probably most people's favourite, design-wise.
It is nice.
So that's the kits, man. So Nike have gone ahead and sent us some stuff. Kind of know what's in the box. I'm gonna show you the items. I'm gonna try them on, and you're gonna try some on. Sound good? Flipping out, this box is heavy. I feel like there's a brick in there. All right, let's see what we got.
That's their training kit.
What do you think of it?
I like that.
You like that? Do you know what? This is nice. What do you think of the colour of this?
Well, what are the bottoms? Are the bottoms dark blue? If the bottoms are like the navy, I think it would do.
It'll go. Do you know what? I like this, you know?
Oh, it's got the big swoosh on the back.
Oh, you like that?
It's loud, but it's not loud. Blue on the blue is nice.
Yeah? What do you think?
Right.
You like this? Because it's black and yellow. Sheesh! You tried it on. So you saying the large works, yeah?
For me, I like.
Sick.
That fit.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. I like the material on that. I didn't realise it had that little kind of print on it. Yeah. All right, so is that a keeper?
Yeah.
I kind of like it. Yeah.
I would have to wear the full tracksuit, and I know for a fact tracksuit bottoms are black. They would not kill someone in a full.
I actually think the tracksuit bottoms is the same colour.
No way.
Nah, Blair.
See, I like that.
I feel like this is
so retro-y though, don't it?
Yeah.
But I like that.
Bit of basketball.
As well.
This almost like a basketball.
Stuff, I just feel like they put a little bit more effort into it.
If you're trying to style like a retro, like you're in this retro vibe, yeah, I like it.
I do like it.
I never knew after all this time that you didn't support a team.
I used to support Aston Villa, man, but then they started selling all their players. I was like, I can't do this football fan stuff, man.
Is that because you were attached to the players?
Yeah, and then
you don't want to see them go.
Arsenal, man. Oh, the Barca.
Yeah, I quite like it. I feel like even though it's a bit reflective, it's just quite small and it's a bit low key. I like this, you know.
Is that a button?
Yeah, you thought it was Velcro. Oh, it's like a little snap button.
Yeah.
Sick. Yeah, man. Can't work with that. Liverpool, the tech fleas. Jeez. Do you know what? That looks good on you. I feel that colour's too bright for me. I like the material though.
Yeah, I like that.
What do you think?
You could get it though, and then match it with
black bottoms.
Black bottoms.
And what colour trainers?
Red and black.
Red and black?
Black with a bit of red.
I think I quite like it. Do you know what? You don't see it, but I quite like it. You like one of those American kind of rappers. Oh my, do you know what? I can't like it on you though. Yeah, it's got that kind of retro thing. Boo. Yeah, but that style's coming back now, bro. I like this.
I really like that colour.
What colour? I'm gonna say that.
The infrared one last season.
Bro, this one is...
Got LFC on the back.
I love this.
Is this new season?
Yeah, all of this stuff is new season. I think this is nice. This is probably one of my favourites out of the bunch. I just like this. Yeah. And then the black and the grey, the way the grey kind of tones up. It and then the white, it's like subtle, but then a little bit of colour there just splashed in. All right, listen, if you could pick 3 items from the bunch that we've been sent, so what 3 would you go with? Do you know what? That's quite nice.
It is.
I actually really like that. What Nike trainers are you gonna go with that?
I would go with like a casual kind of comfort shoe. So I would go maybe like a Air Max 90.
Okay.
Or all white Air Force, yeah. Because you can't go wrong with them. So I'm feeling this, man.
I think this is my favourite top out of the bunch.
I like to match the top with the correct joggers, to be honest. I've got some Vapor Maxes, 2019s, and they're literally the exact same colorway as this. So I've gone for this. Kind of like how it's just subtle. Yeah, that's different.
Jeez, I like this.
Color, so. What do you think? You think it's a bit too tight?
No, I think it's perfect, bro. I think it's
a bit
perfect.
Short though, no?
Short wear, brother. You alright?
That to a medium now.
Yeah, bro. You're like a triple XL on the top, like a medium around the waist.
I would always go for the
Comfort first.
Something.
You just want to be comfortable. All of these items have been sent over by Nike, so if you like any of the items that you've seen on this video, go ahead and click on the link on the description box below. Make sure to go and follow my man Kikks Official. What's the socials, bro?
Kikks Official, Instagram,
OnlyFans.
Snapchat.
OnlyFans.
No way.
Are you don't do that, no? Oh, no. OnlyFans ain't just for OnlyFans, you know.
They said they was gonna ban it, and then they've
reversed it. Yeah. Like, nah.
Snapchat, Instagram,
TikTok.
I'm on TikTok, but I don't do nothing on TikTok.
Fair enough. Facebook, you're on Facebook?
Nah. On your marketplace.
You're not on Facebook, but you're on our marketplace.
Yeah.
How does that make sense?
Ninja team.
Lots more coming. Peace out.